Maintenance requests can pop up when you least expect them. On average, landlords receive 6 repair calls a year, according to a study from Porch. We're not all blessed with the DIY gene, which is why it's a great idea to find a local handyman you can count on. Here are some tips to help guide your search. 1. Do your research. Use Yelp, HomeAdvisor, Nextdoor, and the Better Business Bureau, along with a healthy dose of Google Foo to vet candidates. 2. Schedule interviews. Evaluate their personality as well as their handyman skills, and don't be afraid to ask for some testimonials. 3. Get a detailed project quote. Don't just go with the lowest bidder, and make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Get all updates in writing, and track expenses for your rental property in TurboTenant's online platform. Check out turbotenant.com/blog for more education to help you grow your rental business.